What's up, guys, and welcome back to Homes with Shields, and thank you for clicking on this video. So in today's walkthrough tour, I'm going to be walking you through the Heartland 3XL. The Heartland 3XL is one of our most popular floor plans. It's at 2,089 square feet. Today's variation is that original 3-bed, 2-bath plan with a living room and a den. But today's video will feature a screen porch, a deck, a beautiful covered porch off the front, 9-foot ceilings, exposed beams, a gas fireplace, granite tops. Guys, the list goes on and on. So as always, sit back and enjoy the show. Thanks. All right, so this morning we are over here in Davidson County, North Carolina. We're actually on Baden Lake. When I get around to the back, you'll actually be able to see the water. But like I said there on the intro, this tour will be of the Heartland 3XL, okay? It's a part of that Heartland series that you've seen so many videos of. The Heartland 3XL is the largest of the Heartland series. It is at 2,089 square feet. Today's video is just a one level. You can always add that upstairs to it, or you always can add that Heartland T-Ranch, which I can get into in another video. So square footage can be added to this plan. But this is at 2,089 and it's the Heartland 3XL. All right. So let's talk about the front porch. All right. That is optional, 100% optional, built on site. So I could show you an example of a Heartland 3XL with no porch, a huge porch, something like this right here. This is a 6x20 gable style front porch. It is sitting on a full foundation, which is the textured split face block. If you notice up there in the gable, they went with some vertical siding just like the rest of the house. So that is one of the upgrades you're seeing, the vertical siding on all four sides of the home. Beautiful vinyl wrapped pickets and posts, all that good stuff. I feel like I talk about it in a lot of videos, the stuff going around your windows as far as your lineals and shutters and all that. What I want you to see here is this is your included white window, but this is the black lineal. So we have that same black trim in white. Here you're seeing it in black. So you do not see shutters in today's video. They just stuck with the lineals, but they are black with the white window. So that is something valuable to see. And going along with that black theme, you've got the black gutters and downspouts and all that good stuff. All right, so I'm gonna walk around back here. Got a screen porch feeding into an uncovered deck off the back. So the Heartland 3XL is built by Nationwide Homes, or Cavco Martinsville, formerly known as Nationwide, and they include a 712 roof pitch. Even on their their included one level plans are going to have that tall 712 roof pitch. And if you go to a 2-level or the unfinished cape, you have the ability to take that all the way to a 1212. Okay. All right, so here you're starting to see that lovely screen porch. So not only is it a really good size, but it's got some detail. You've got some vertical siding up there in the gable, along with a crowfoot accent up there. As you can see, you got some can lights going on in that screen porch, and that opens up to the uncovered deck. So just a really well thought out plan here. So you've got the deck coming off the dining room, and then this is feeding into the utility room. Really well thought out, and all of this is overlooking Baden Lake. All right, so I'm gonna stop this video, run around to the front, and then resume, and we'll get inside this bad boy and take a look. All right, so I'm back on that front porch. Wanted to give you one more look before I went through that front door, and here we go. So right off the bat, you'll notice the exposed beams up there. That is always an option that you can add to your ceilings to give it some detail. It's a very affordable option at that. Just a lovely gas fireplace here. Here you're seeing the stacked stone surround. Notice they stopped it halfway and went with sheetrock the rest of the way up. You can actually continue that stone or stop it like you're seeing there. And this really good sized living room opens up into your kitchen and dining area. You are seeing the 9-foot ceilings today. All right, and this is me looking back at the front door, okay? This is one of the 5 included flooring colors. This is the fawn flooring color. All right, so on to the kitchen. First thing I want to say is, number one, this is the alternate Heartland kitchen layout. So this is an option. It is a little bit more expensive when comparing it to the included Heartland kitchen layout. But what it does is it picks up a double-sided island, so you've got storage on both sides of that really large island. You pick up a corner cabinet back there in the corner. And it does shift around the appliances. So I'm not saying it's like night and day different, but I would say you're going to pick up a little bit of cabinetry just from the island in that corner cabinet, and then the appliances get shifted around a little bit, okay? I love this color scheme though. This granite matched up really well with the white cabinets with the black trims and all that good stuff. And like I said there on the intro, guys, this video does feature the hidden bootlegger pantry, okay? So one thing I want to note, just because you go to the alternate kitchen, that does not include the bootlegger pantry option. That is a separate option within itself, okay? It can be in other plans. It's not just the Heartland series. So let's check this thing out. Just seeing your included wire shelving today. You've seen wood shelving. You've seen customers do their own custom shelving, all that good stuff. All right, and then off of that pantry is actually your water heater, which is a nice and convenient, easy access to that Rheem 50-gallon water heater. Going back out of that pantry, I'm going to pan around, just kind of showing you that living room, how nice and open this plan is. So again, guys, this is the Heartland 3XL at 2,089 square feet. We have a Heartland 2XL on display there at our sales center in Burlington. Definitely want to come take a look. All right. So on to the dining. A few things I wanted to hit on here. You are seeing an upgraded chandelier and pendant lights, okay? And I'm pretty sure I noticed the upgraded vanity lights in the bathrooms, okay? So just because you go to the black hardware package, that does not include the chandelier, pendants, and vanity lights. Those are another upgrade on top of the black hardware package, okay? So that black hardware package only includes knobs, hinges, shower heads, water faucets, all that good stuff, okay? Other thing I wanted to hit on, the triple door, okay? So this is the first time I've seen this out in the field. We do show this on our Heartland 2XL model. Just a fabulous door if you've got a view back here, wanting to see that water, mountain view, whatever it may be. So let's go out here and check out the deck. And that opens up to the screen porch. Oh, it's locked. That's what I was scared of. We'll go in there when we get to the utility room. All right. All right, so to the right is going to be the spare bedrooms, the secondary den, and the utility. Over there on the left is the master suite. Let's check out the spare bedroom side real quick. So you got a hallway going down here. To the right is the utility. Straight ahead is that secondary den where the 4th bedroom could be if you wanted to go that direction. And then you've got 2 more beds and a bath. okay? So I'm gonna back up. Let's hit that utility room so we can see that screen porch. Really solid utility room, great spot for washer and dryer, utility room sink, spot for a freezer, you name it, plenty of space in this utility. So straight ahead was that den. Bedroom 2 or 3? 3 or 2? Bath 2. These are a great example of the included tops. So you saw the granite in the kitchen, just laminate in the bathrooms, included sinks, included framed mirrors. We have them in black. There is a shot of your upgraded vanity lights in the bathrooms. Only thing I'd really note about these bedrooms, number one, not all the spare bedrooms in the Heartland series have double windows in the secondary bedrooms. A lot of them start with a single, so that's something you'd want to notice and think about. And they did add ceiling fans. So the only thing I'd say there is, you know, the wire and bracing is included, so no need to worry about that. But if you want that fan hanging there the day you move in through us, it would be extra, and you would want to tell me, you know, that you want that. 2-panel doors are the included doors, you know, along with the black hardware. We've talked about that for the knobs and all that good stuff. All right. So we're going to cross this main space here. And we're going to look at the master bedroom. Again, this is the Heartland 3XL at 2,089 square feet. We're in Davidson County, North Carolina this morning on Baden Lake, looking at a project we just finished up. My name is Shields. I'm with Carolina Custom Homes of Burlington. We are a custom modular builder. I'm going to drop down my email now and at the end of the video. If you have any questions, get with me directly with that email. If you know somebody or if you're interested in building your dream home, get with us, okay? Notice they went with the premium or upgraded wood shelving in the master closet, but not anywhere else. Okay, just because you want to do a upgrade doesn't mean it's all or nothing. We can kind of pick and pop where we do these things. Same with the flooring. I've had people say, Shields, you know, we want flooring or carpet in the bedrooms, but bedroom 2 is actually going to be an office, so put flooring in there so my office chair can roll around better. I mean, I've heard it all, guys. So, you know, really think this thing out. This is not the included bathroom layout for the Heartland series. You're seeing the optional 4x6, so that medium shower. Beautiful ceramic tile shower. Got multiple shower heads, windows, spot for your soap and shampoos. I mean, look at that thing. Got a tucked away little toilet area here. That's nice. You can option in a door there. You've had many videos with a door there. This one does not. We've got many videos just like this one as well. Back to those laminate tops. And you got this big linen cabinet. All right, guys, so that is it for today. Thank you to all my subscribers. If you haven't already subscribed and you enjoy my videos, please smash that subscribe button. It helps me out a ton. New videos every Monday and Thursday, and I throw out an occasional bonus video every now and again. So thank you guys. Take care.